There are days when the sun feels like it was made just for you. You smile without trying. You laugh from your belly. You feel whole. These are the days you feel like yourself again, like you can handle whatever comes your way, like your heart is steady and your soul is full. Treasure these days, hold them gently, but know they won't always last, and that's okay. There are days when the light doesn't reach you, when you feel tired, even after sleeping, when the world feels far away and loneliness sits quietly beside you. You might wonder, why do I feel like this? Why do I feel so alone? Will I ever feel like myself again? These thoughts don't make you broken, they make you human. When you feel low, the mind can play tricks on us. It tells us we're not enough. It brings up old hurts. It whispers things we'd never say to anyone else, but somehow we say them to ourselves. We remember the people we've lost, the mistakes we've made, the times we were left behind or had to leave others behind. But underneath all of those thoughts, there's still you, the soft, quiet part of you that wants peace and happiness. You don't have to always have the answers all at once. You don't have to smile before you're ready. You just have to begin, slowly and gently, and by releasing, this allows room for you to heal. Here are small ways to lift yourself up again. Breathe in and out, slowly. Let the air remind you you're alive. Talk to someone who feels safe, a friend, a sister, a therapist, or even just write it down. Move your body, stretch, walk, dance, anything to remind yourself you're here. Let yourself cry. It's not weakness, it's release. Get out in the sun or under the stars. Nature reminds us we're part of something bigger. Remind yourself this feeling will pass, because it will. Joy doesn't always come crashing through the door. Sometimes it tiptoes in a warm cup of tea, a silly joke, a kind word from someone who loves you, a memory that makes you smile instead of cry. You don't have to chase happiness. Just make space for it, even if it's only for a few minutes a day. That's how it finds you again. That's how you find you again. Every woman has felt the quiet ache of sadness, the heavy heart of loneliness, and the fight to feel whole again. You are not weak for feeling it. You are brave for surviving it. Even when it's dark, even when it's quiet, even when you feel like giving up, you are still worthy. You are still loved, and joy is still yours to find. One breath, one day, one soft step at a time.